Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is time to continue working in this cool application that we're working on. So tonight, I want to show you guys, I end up adding Toastr to the application. So you can get this nice notification. So I have the application open here. If you guys want to learn how we put it together, you guys can go back to the channel and watch the video. And here it is. Here's the link. You guys can subscribe. So leave a message, leave a comment, whatever you guys want to do. Show some love to the channel. Make sure you guys subscribe, share, whatever. So I have the application open. I also have the documentation here open. We're going to need that so we can go ahead and do Toastr in the application. So let me go ahead and show you guys what the application does. So I'm going to go ahead and log in, and I'm going to use the wrong password. Voila, it gives you this is invalid password. So now let's say I want to go ahead and log in with the correct password. Try to log in. It says welcome back. I'm gonna go ahead and log out. It says goodbye, return soon. So you see, and I also added for the register. But let me show you guys how I put it together. So let's do that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this application here. I'm gonna close the channel. And I'm gonna go ahead and open the application without Toastr. So I can show you guys step by step how I did it, okay? All right, guys, so I have the application. This is just the Angular application without Toastr. So right now, if I log in, actually, let me open the console. Okay, let me open console. And let me go ahead and log in. See, I'm logged in. Yeah, so no notification. Let me log out. Yeah, nothing. The register work, cancels, everything is the same. All right. So if you go to the notification, it says here, first thing we got to do is go ahead and install this. So let's copy this over here. You guys can do the same thing. Got to go to the link. Don't worry, in the bottom of the video, I'll share this one. And let's go ahead and install this. Go ahead, let me go ahead and stop the application. Let's stop it from running. Let me go ahead and install this. All right, so while this is installing, I'll talk about a little bit of the application. So on the previous video, we end up creating a nav. We end up creating a register. Oh, wow, it built it really fast. Okay, cool. So now that we have that, the next thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and go to the Angular JSON here. And right, let's look where the styles are. Right over here where it says styles, we have to go ahead and import this. So let me go here. If you follow it. Okay, so we have to import that. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna copy this. In order for this to work, you have to stop your server and you gotta and then you gotta do end your server again so it can compile and then it will work. All right, so see it's not running. So now that we have installed that, it's gonna build. So we gotta go to the nav bar, to the component TS, and here we wanna implement this. So let's go ahead and do that. Actually, no. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to the app module here. This is where we got to import it first. That way we can actually, then from there we can access the Toast and the components. So we have to, every single time you install a new package, you must inject it to the app module. Then you can actually access and the rest of the components. So let's go ahead and do that. So if we go back to the documentation, over here, we're just gonna do copy and paste, very simple. So we'll do that, and we have to import it, of course, on the top. So we can get rid of that error. All right, so I want the message to appear in the right side, on the bottom right side. So we want to do is position class, and you want to do toast bottom right. Okay, so that's that. And it's actually, all of that is actually in the documentation. If we go down a little bit more, it's over here. See, if you want to do the icon, you can do position class toasted bottom right. See, you can actually do that. And actually, you can do a little timeout. So after like seconds, whatever, seconds, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, you want it to disappear. So, all right. So now that we have that, we can actually go to the component, which is the one in the navbar. So here, now we can actually implement that. So the very first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and inject it inside the constructor. So you want to do private toast like that. And then you want to do Toastr service right there. Okay. So now we can actually implement that inside the function here. So now that we have it over here, now we can actually go right below this. So we want to do this toast, and you want to do success. Let's put the message. What do you want to say? You want to say welcome back. And then when you want to log out, you want to do this toast. And then you want to do success. And you want to, I'm just going to do this one. Goodbye for now. So now if we try to log in, that's it. Let's do that again. See, it says welcome back. So now if we want to log out, so it says goodbye for now. So now let's say I end up putting the wrong password. We can do the same thing. Let's say I put in the wrong password when I was logging in. Let's do this Toastr that error. And then you want to do the error. That error. There you go. So now let me try that again. Let's see if we do the wrong password. You want to do 10 and you want to do the wrong password. See, it says invalid password. And this is coming from the back end. It says unauthorized. All right. So in the register, I want to do the same thing now. All right. So let's go to the component for the one for the register. We actually go here and we're going to do the same thing. So here we want to do is we have to go to the constructor. Of course, we have to implement this inside the constructor. So you want to do private Toastr like that. And then we want to do Toastr service. All right, once you have it in there, so now we can do this Toastr that success. I don't know if you noticed, like when you So you have all these you can implement. You can implement info, show, remove, all of that is coming from the Toastr. All right, so I'm gonna do success. And then we want to do, I just want to do welcome. And let's say there's an error. Let's do the same thing, this toast. The error inside, let's put the error, whatever the error was. That error. Perfect. So now that we have that, so let's try to do that. Let me go ahead and let's say I want to do, let's do Tim again. And let's do password. See, it tells you there the username is taken already. So of course, if it logs in, it's going to say welcome. But all right, guys, this is it for this video. It was simple, fast. So don't forget to watch how we put all this application together, and then you guys can implement this nice little Toastr notification. So stay tuned for more. Don't forget to watch the rest of my videos. Thanks for the love. Thank you. And I'll see you guys, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for more.